大家好，今日 PrimeServe Support Channel 會同大家分享一下設定 Notice Notes 嘅 MailRules，將電郵自動分類並且移動到唔同嘅 folders 入面，同埋點樣先至可以設定一啲 rules 去標記寄件人電郵係高度重要嘅。好，咁而家我哋見到咧，唔同 inbox 入面唔同嘅寄件人咧，都係 highlight 咗唔同嘅顏色嘅。咁如果大家想知點樣，就可以睇翻之前嘅影片。咁我哋記得左手邊嗰度有個 folders 嘅掣嘅。咁我哋首先就 create 咗唔同嘅收件人嘅 folder 先。咁我哋撳上面嘅 create folder， 咁入翻 folder 個名。咁譬如而家我哋就用 Big Boss 嚟做例子啦。撳翻 OK。咁我哋睇翻左手邊 folders 嗰度咧，你就會見到有 Big Boss 嘅 folder 出現咗㗎啦。咁然後我哋再做多個例子，譬如我哋攞 General Manager 嚟做例子啦。咁我哋都係撳翻 Create Folder。咁我哋就打翻 General Manager 做呢個 folder name 嘅。咁撳翻 OK 之後，我哋都會見到 folder 嗰度咧多咗 General Manager 嘅文檔夾啦。咁我哋而家咧就會 set 一啲 rules 嘅。咁我哋可以喺 folders 下面咧再見到有個 tools 嘅掣。咁我哋撳入 rules 入面啦。咁而家暫時咧係未有任何嘅 rules 嘅。咁我哋就撳 new rules， 記住撳翻係 on。咁喺 create condition 嗰度咧，我哋校翻 sender。咁見到 contains 咧，我哋就可以打翻係邊一位寄件人。咁我哋撳翻 add 啦。咁就會係當寄件人係 Big Boss 嘅時候咧，我哋再校翻一啲特別嘅 action 落去。咁我哋而家就校 move to folder 嘅。咁撳翻選擇嘅 folder， 我哋就可以再撳 add action 啦。咁我哋見到嗰個 performing the following actions 咧，就會出現咗 move to folder Big Boss 嘅。咁出翻去版面嗰度咧，我哋就會見到個 condition 咧，其實就多咗一個 rules 啦。咁我哋再 set 多一條 rules 啦。今次就係俾 General Manager 嘅。咁我哋就打完佢個名之後咧，我哋就可以見到當寄件人係 General Manager 咧，我哋再加啲特別嘅 actions 落去。咁首先我哋都係 set 咗 move to folder 先啦，就係 General Manager 寄件嘅時候咧，會移咗過去 General Manager 嘅 folder 嗰度嘅。咁我哋再做多一條，就係教佢嗰個高度嘅重要性。咁佢就會喺個 email 嘅前面咧，就出現咗一個感嘆號嘅。咁我哋撳咗 add action 咧，你都會見到其實而家有兩個 performing 嘅 rules 嘅。咁出翻去版面嗰度，我哋都可以見到Big Boss 嗰個 rules 啦，同埋 General Manager 咧，我哋有兩條 rules 嘅。咁出翻去 inbox 嗰度咧，我哋見到暫時未有任何嘅 setting， 咁我哋要出埋 Notice Notes， 再入翻去咧先見到個效果。咁我哋入翻 Wilson Wong 嘅 email 入面，我哋可以見到咧 Big Boss 嗰個 folder 入面有一個新嘅電郵。咁而 General Manager 咧，佢個 folder 都有一封新嘅 email。同埋我哋會見到有個感嘆號喺前面嘅。 咁我就會提示返我哋嘅呢個係 General Manager send 俾我哋嘅 email。咁我哋可以喺下面 All Documents 嗰度咧睇返晒佢哋兩個 send 俾我哋嘅 email。提提大家 set 咗呢一個 rules 之後咧，有新嘅電郵入嚟會直接移動到所設定嘅 folders 入面㗎，所以喺 inbox 嗰度咧就會睇唔到。咁我哋今次就講咗咁多先，記得有疑問嘅話可以喺下面留言俾我哋㗎。下次再見啦，拜拜。